Hello everyone, my name is Rakhi and I'm living in Goa. And guys, this is day 11 of the series and let's learn English. So guys, today I am doing English speaking practice in real life. And see, here I am under the sky and you can still see the fog in the environment because it's the morning time. And you can also hear the sound of the crow because it's morning time, and here is so many birds which is chirping, and crow also there, so you can hear the sound of the crow. Guys, you can see the trees behind me, and these trees are very old trees. These trees are here from many years, and you can see the size of these trees actually. And you can see guys, it is the morning time, and here you can hear the sound of the birds because birds also here and they are chirping here. Okay, and here is the environment of the trees, and here is so many flower also, and you can see here there is a flower, and there are also that the white color of flower is will be there. Okay, so here is like trees, flowers, birds, so many things are here. And guys, you can see behind me there is white color of flowers. And you know guys, this is very calm and peaceful place, you know. Whenever I come in the morning here, I feel so nicer here. Like it's really a lovely place, you know. You can hear the sound of the birds, they are chirping, and such a peaceful and calm place in the morning. And guys, you can see the street dog which is there, which is coming from there, you know. And you know guys, these street dogs are the safety guard of my area in where I live, because this place is not far from my house. It's just in front of my house, you know. And I just came in the morning to walk in the morning. Dogs are so nicer, you know. They take care of every situation, and whatever is bad is happening around them, they get to know that, you know. So these are very good animals, you know. And here my dogu also come to spend time with this dog, you know. I don't know where it is today, but yeah, some of the time he remain here and he play with them, and whatever is happening around, they observe everything. Now you can see there is a red flower. Okay, and that flower is the good health flower. Okay, let me show you from here. Okay, so now you can see this is the good health flower. Okay, and how like its color is very attractive, you know. It's a red color, and yeah, it's very nice. Okay, so now you will tell me in the comment what is goodal known as in English. Okay, and you can see like here is so many dogs which is around me, and I am not able to see my Dugu is here because he is went somewhere else, so he is not here actually, but his friend is all around me. You can see, you know, these all are around me. I am under the sky, and you can see the sky is looking white because there is the fog in the sky, and that is why it's looking white. Because if there is a clean sky, you know, you can see the blue color of the sky, but in the morning there is fog around the environment, so that is why sky is looking white. You know, you can see the fog in the environment. And guys, you can see a tree behind me, and leaf of these trees are green, and it is dark green color. Okay, okay guys, if you have not watched my previous video, please watch the video. It will really help you to learn English. And this is for today. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and have a nice day.